We can even pass values when we invoke the resolve and reject functions here. And those values can be accessed right here in the callback functions. Those values will be available as parameters. For example, inside the resolve, I am passing in done, and inside reject, I am passing in error. Here, we can access them using whatever parameter names we want, value, or say success. And the second one is ERROR, error. Now I can use success here, which is a parameter which is going to carry the following value, done. And the second one is error, is a variable that will carry the error response, whatever comes from reject. So save it, go back to the browser, refresh, and you see done now for a success response. If you flip the flag to true, in case of error, we should get error back. There we go, you see error. So you can pass values back from resolve and reject, and those values will be available as variables in your success and error handler methods.